In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use the filters in Flash. So I have a file imported already, and I'm going to actually add some frames in order to create an animation with filters. I'm going to click under the 30th frame, and I'm going to right click, or if you don't have a two-click mouse, control click and choose insert frame. Once you do that, you're going to go to the beginning of your keyframe and choose right click again and choose create motion tween. And it's going to tell you that it's going to convert this to a symbol, and you're going to say OK, and you can see that the icon changes here. And you can also see that you actually have the color change to blue. You're going to move to the very last keyframe, click on your panel here, and from the filter panel you're going to click on this icon that looks like a little page, and you're going to choose any of these filters. For this purpose I'm going to choose blur, and I'm going to I can change these numbers or I can change these numbers. Either way, I can do it this way or um, that way from the drop down. This one gives you more control. The X and the Y, and can of course unlock and just change it to one direction. You can create some interesting effects. And once you do that, you can see that you get a little keyframe. And if I go back and play, you can see that you can get an interesting animation going here. So but the very first keyframe, I don't want it to be blurred, so you can come back here and just change that to 0, 0, because by default it'll just add some uh, blurring effects to it. You can also add additional effects, and you can click on the icon to get the properties back, and if you want to add, let's say, glow, or you want to add drop shadow, you can actually add that, and you can change the colors if you wanted to, and so forth. So also you want to make sure that from your workspace you have animator selected for this to be visible, for the filters to be visible. If you need to delete any of the filters, you can simply click and remove or disable, or simply just find the specific effect and trash.